man took me to a strip club. I'm not going back to the strip club, Stevie. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Wore. Today's video is brought to you by Beauty Forever. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. I will also be doing a little chit chat, get ready with me as I prepare for a surprise date night. If you do not know, me and King don't get date nights, you know, very often. So when we do, I try to go all out. I will be doing like a little story time, basically tell you guys how we met, our first date, all that little razzle dazzle. But anyways, before we get into the hair, the makeup, and you know, my little chit chat, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So first things first, we're gonna do some makeup. Yes, we're gonna do some makeup because your girl gotta be all, you know, I gotta get together. I gotta get together. I'm gonna do a real glam type of look. I'm gonna knock Kin off his feet. There is a video down below of my updated brow tutorial. Even though the shape may change, the technique is always the same. Where is my brush? We're gonna be using a whole lot of black products today. Okay, why? Because I can. I don't think they black though. We are going to be using the Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder. This is in the creamy bronze finish. Ooh, don't drop, don't drop. We're going to prime our eyelid just like that. Okay, so now we'll be using the Chocolates by JuviasPlace, which is black owned. And I will be using these two shades right here on the corner. I'm going to be using the Morphe 505 brush. So I'm going to take some of that, back. And I'm going to bring that out on my outer corner, up into my crease, and down into my inner corner. Okay, so we're gonna build that shape up. There we go. Now, I had somebody ask me in my comments how me and Kenny met. I have been getting asked that a lot, like how did we meet, because we seem so different. You right. Let me take that brush that I used before, this is that 504 brush that I had that creamy bronze color on, and soften that up a little bit. Yeah, so we met through one of our mutual friends, Ruby. Hey Ruby! We were both stationed in Las Vegas. If you guys didn't know, I was in the military for 11 and a half, almost 12 years. Leave that door alone, please. So it was supposed to be an all girls night, okay, because your girl, aka me, had just broken up with another guy, and I was hurting, okay? So I was like, I wanna have my girls around, y'all gonna take me out, and that's what they did. So Miss Ruby asked her little friend, aka Kenny, come and hang out with us, and I was like, is Kenny a girl? Because this is a girls night. What's happening? Come on. So in walks Kin, aka Kenny. I was like, oh hey. Was no instant attraction, was no ooh, I'm falling head over heels. So I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible concealer. This is in the color 410 Almond, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my lid just like that. We're at this place in Vegas called Hash House A Go-Go. Ooh, so good, y'all. The best chicken and waffles ever. So yeah, so we were there, we were eating, we both end up ordering the same thing, and then we were kind of joking about how neither one of us finished and blah blah blah, whatever. After we finished eating or whatever, we decided to go out dancing. We actually have pictures of us dancing. If I have some of the pictures, I'll put them up here. Oh, when I say we looked rough. Goodness gracious, the glow up is real. First of all, he was a child. I am, what, 5 years older than Kenny? I think I started flirting with him only because I was, you know, drinking a little bit, but not flirting to the point that I'm like, oh, I want to get with him. No, just flirting because I was bored. We weren't clicking for nothing. So July 27th, 2013 is when me and Kenny actually met. So pretty much like the month of August, we were just kind of cool, chilling or whatever. And then, I don't know, somehow I just fell into his lap. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into that chocolates palette, and I'm going to use this. It's a brown color, but it's like it has like a red undertone to it. And we're going to place it just like that, like that, okay? I need this to be a transition so it's not so dark on the outside. We were at like a little sleepover. I decided to leave, and then he was like, okay, I'll follow you home, make sure you get there safely. Okay, and so yeah, he was a gentleman. He ended up walking me to my door to say goodnight, and then yeah, he left in the morning. And then we kind of, you know, started kicking it again, just as friends with some extra, you know, hangout time. He had also just ended a relationship, and he was kind of going through the back and forth with that situation. You guys know how it is. He decided to give that a go again and stop hanging out with me, okay? Which hurt my little feelings because I was just like, wait a minute. I know daggone well you not dumping me. My little ego was hurt. But then I ended up meeting someone and we was, you know, dating for a little bit. That little situation he had went back to didn't work out. So guess what? He missed me. I had moved on. I was floating around on that ship. But obviously that didn't work out. Old Ken was right on there to scoop me on up. Like that all happened in like a 2-3 month time frame. This is the JuviasPlace Wahala palette. I'm using the color Oversabi, which is that yellow color right there. And I'm gonna put that on my lid. Even though we had, you know, stopped hanging out like that, he was still like, you're my friend. So February 14, 2014, he asked me as a friend to take me out for Valentine's Day. And I was like, oh, is this like a date? Like a friend date? I like dressed up and everything because we were going to the Cheesecake Factory. And this man wore t-shirt and jeans. T-shirt and jeans and flip-flops. Kenny loves his flip-flops, all right? But if he's feeling extra special, he'll pull out his ripped jeans and his cowboy boots and it's over. So I went to Cheesecake Factory. It was nice. He actually got me a gift. It was like a Michael Kors purse. Fun fact, I don't know what that purse is. That purse jumped up and left my daggone house somehow in Vegas, and I don't know. Okay, so I don't have an orange in here, so I'm going to use this fire color right here. And then he was leaving for a couple weeks to go, you know, visit family and stuff. And while he was home, he actually asked me to be his girlfriend. We were from talking to not talking to talking again to now I'm your girlfriend. Okay. I'm gonna put that color right up in between the yellow and that darker brown shade. And I'm gonna take it a little bit over the yellow just to kind of blend that. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the Nudes palette by JuviasPlace, the lighter shade here in the middle, and put that in my corner. But y'all know I love the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in D50. That's my jam. So yeah, once he got home after a couple weeks, he decided to take me on our first date. And he was like, it's a surprise, you know, this, that, and the third, whatever. And I remember the conversation we had about this, but I didn't actually think that he was serious. This man took me to a strip club. It's Vegas, baby. Got him some dances, I got some dances, and we just hung out, and it was actually pretty fun. Found out some things about, you know, his past that I was kind of just like, big old freak. You're not as quiet as I thought you were, Ken. So yeah, we were doing our little thing, okay, living in our bubble, and you know, just hanging out, and it was fun, it was cool. So he surprised me with a trip to Laguna Beach, California, and on the last day of our trip, he decided I was the one. So obviously I said yes, okay, and that was in May of 2014. Okay, do y'all see this timeline here? So I'm using an Infallible Concealer again by L'Oreal. This is in 415 Honey, and I'm going to highlight under my eye. In August of 2014, we decided to get married with the help of our family and friends. We did a DIY wedding down at Lake Las Vegas, and it was gorgeous. It was outside. It was everything. I would just like to say, he knew what he wanted. I mean, obviously I did too. It was just really crazy how fast it all happened, but it's like it happened very, very naturally. And here we are 6 years later, so obviously it was a good thing. Oh, I'm thirsty. And we still get the comments sometime about, you know, how different we are. Kenny's a cowboy hat, cowboy boot, ripped jeans type of dude. I'm more of a stiletto, short skirt, chest in my neck type of girl. I'm a little bit more toned down now, but you know, that's who he met. We were at the club or something, and we just looked stark different, y'all. People were looking at us like, is he taking her home? He's a t-shirt, sweatpants, flip-flops, everyday type of dude. So like Kevin Hart said, him and his flops, you know, give and take, compromise. I don't try to change his level flops. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about date night, even though it is in the house. You know, we got kids, and we don't trust everybody with our kids. You know, I'm just happy to be in the man's presence. That's all. I think Emmy took my daggone blending brush. This is the 360 Mocha powder by Maybelline Fit Me. Use that same color here in my inner corner, down to the bridge of my nose, under my brow. Let me spray her down with my, this is my CoverGirl Outlast Active setting spray. Okay, so face is done. Now let's go ahead and get this hair done. So like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForeverHair. It is their Body Wave 13x4 lace front unit. It comes in a natural color, and the starting price for this unit is $70.71. Now, depending on the specs you choose for your unit, the price will go up. The unit only comes in 150% density. You can either get a brown or translucent transparent lace. You can also choose between 10 and 26 inches. I got the transparent lace in 18 inches and my unit is $134.52. I believe there was an elastic band that came with this unit. However, I didn't use it because I knew the cap was going to be a little bit too small. I did have to unhook the adjustable straps on this unit because it was too tight. Do a little wax action up here just to lay down these flyaways because there are some flyaways in here. I did wash this unit and let it air dry. I didn't really get much shedding with it. The unit does come pre-plucked, so you don't have to do any type of plucking with this unit. I did pluck a little bit around the front here just to kind of open that up. What time is it? What time is it? Ooh, I'm gonna be late. Gonna be late for my date. Okay, I'm gonna use my Cantu Shea Butter Heat Protectant. I love how this stuff smells, y'all. It smells so good. Let me get it. Let me get it. Okay, I was thinking I should get like a gift or something. Do people give gifts on dates anymore? Okay, and to make sure these hold a little bit, I am going to pin them. And before anybody asks, we have not been back to the strip club since then. I'm not going back to the strip club, Stevie. Okay, getting down to the wire here. Got my lashes on. Let me go ahead and use my little hair fetish knot eraser. I'm using the middle shade right here. Okay, I'm gonna use another black owned product for my lips. I'm gonna use the Amor En Beauty. She is another YouTuber. This is how they look. I got 5 of them all together, but the packaging is really, really cute. It has like a little glitter bow on it. They're considered lip inks. So we have work right here. If I have the color for this one, I'll put it down below, but it's like a nudie peachy color. And then I have Kaleidoscope, and then I have BRICKHOUSE. So that's work, that nudie tan color, BRICKHOUSE and Kaleidoscope. That's how they look on my hand. So this one is like a chapstick, maybe like a lip primer or something. I hope it is. If it's not, oops. I'm going to use BRICKHOUSE. Let me line my lips really quick though. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Crown Case Bare Lip Liner. It's like a brownish color. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. Again, y'all, black owned brand, get with it. It's drying down like matte, but not like, it's not making my lips crack. It's not drying or anything. So yes, thank you, Tiffany. Oh, he said he's on his way. Let me hurry up. Use some of my Moroccan Sleek Oil. I think I used a little bit too much. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, so here is the finished look, y'all. Is he gonna nightcap me? I hope so. I really like BeautyForeverHair because I feel like they give you good quality hair for a lower price point. As always, the links for this unit will be listed down below. If I have a coupon code for it, it will also be linked down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.